Introducing the PH-ES620PTG-DBK01, a powerhouse of innovation and style. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, design, and why it's the perfect choice for your next PC build. Let's start with the exterior. The PH-ES620PTG-DBK01 boasts a minimalist yet striking design, with tempered glass panels on both sides that offer a clear view of your components. The front panel features USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a stylish LED-lit power button. Now, let's take a look inside. The PH-ES620PTG-DBK01 offers ample room for high-end components, with support for large graphics cards and multiple storage options. Cable management is a breeze thanks to strategically placed routing holes and Velcro straps. Plus, the tool-less design makes installation a snap. Cooling performance is crucial for any PC build, and the PH-ES620PTG-DBK01 delivers. With support for up to 6 case fans and multiple radiator options, you can ensure optimal airflow to keep your components running cool, even during intense gaming sessions. But what truly sets the PH-ES620PTG-DBK01 apart is its customization options. Whether you're a fan of RGB lighting or prefer a more understated look, this case has you covered. With modular drive cages and support for custom liquid cooling loops, you can personalize your build to suit your style and performance needs. In conclusion, the PH-ES620PTG-DBK01 is a true masterpiece of design and functionality. With its sleek exterior, spacious interior, excellent cooling performance, and extensive customization options, it's the perfect choice for any PC enthusiast or builder.